Okay, so the parts laid out here for a sheet 42, which is just the right hand side optical cable, optical fibres and the LED. Not much to say about it, all there. I'm just going to get this fitted, so we're going to get this fitted to the right hand wing. So once again, the first thing we're doing is feeding it through this part that I've just recovered from the last issue 41. I'm just going to feed these optical cables through here. And then fitting that into the guide we had again from the last issue. I know it doesn't say, it says that it doesn't really matter, but I'm going to try and have the longest one around that side. So I want kind of the longest one there. I'm going to swap those two around, I think. So yeah, longest one there. That'll do. Yeah, that's okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, bringing over the main part of the model. So the first thing we're going to be doing once again is feeding these through here. Okay, that's all good. Now I need my LED, and I'm going to put the sticker on. Fit LED, put cover on, and then straight down. Put the optical guides on. Don't really remember for these. And the window and the flat on. That goes through on this one. Now I'm going to be gluing these down. I'm just going to check that they all do a check fit. Okay. Yep. Yeah, once again they're okay. Okay, happy with that. Okay, so that was issue 42, Spitfire, fitting the right hand gun lights and gun mounts. So yeah, done that. 43 is, what is 43? Left, the landing light for the left wing. There's another light, just quite simply fitting that in by the looks of things, into the left hand wing. Yeah. So yeah, that'll be coming up soon, so keep an eye out for issue 43. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my presentation of this issue of Build a Spitfire Mk1A by Hachette PartWorks. And if you like the progression of this model or any of the other models on the channel, because I've got the Ecto one and the Ferrari F40 going on at the moment, then you can always consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, then you can give us a thumbs up or pop any comments in the comments box. I always get back to those. But hey, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon. Take care and ta-da for now.